Hello children, how are you all? Hope that you all enjoyed your exams which was conducted this week. And it was a wonderful and different experience, right? Are you happy? Yes, I am also happy. So now I will start the class. In the last class, we have completed the first storybook, Divya and her family. Reading is also over. Today I will start with the activity of chrysalis. So children, take your Little Thinker English with you and open page number 4 and 5. Activity 2.3 and 2.4, which we will do today. Before starting the activity, there is a video which I want to show you. The video is about different parts of house. After seeing this video completely, I will tell you the different parts of house in detail. So now let's see the video.
Welcome to Toy City, the place where all the toys live and have a lot of fun. I'm Dinky the doll. I just finished building my beautiful new house. I'm very excited today as my friend Pixie the penguin is coming over for lunch. I'm going to show him my new house. Hi Pixie, it's so good to see you. Welcome to my new house.
Hi, Dinky. It looks lovely.
Come on in. I can't wait to show you everything. This is my living room. This is where I relax and watch TV. This is the best room for a party.
That's a nice cozy little corner.
I love reading. That's where I sit and read all my books with a mug of yummy hot chocolate.
Wow, I love this room.
Is it because it has delicious food? This is the dining room. You see this nice big table? This is where I eat all my meals: breakfast, lunch and dinner. This is where all the yummy food comes from. This is the kitchen. I do all the cooking in this room. This is my bedroom. At the end of a long day, I love to get into my soft bed and relax. When I'm warm and cozy under my fluffy blanket, I sleep like a baby.
Oh, I feel sleepy already.
This is the bathroom. This is the room that keeps me clean. I brush my teeth and have a bath here.
Wow, this place is so pretty.
This is my garden. It's the most colorful part of my house.
You can play here for hours, or just sit down and stare at the pretty flowers. I just love your new house, Dinky, but I love your cakes even more.
Thank you, Pixie. It's my dream house.
Dinky's dream house. Perfect.
Hello children, you all have watched the video. Now I will explain you the different parts of house in detail. First we will see the picture. See the picture? Children, what room do you think this is? Is this a bedroom Bathroom? No, isn't it? This is a living room. And what do you think this room is used for? This is a living room where people sit, relax and watch television together. And we receive a guest in this room, living room. Now we will move to the next picture. See the next picture. What room do you think this is? Yes, this is a bedroom. And what do you think this room is used for? A bedroom is a room which is used for sleeping in. We all sleep there in bedroom, right? Think of different rooms in your house. Which room do you like the best and why? See children, I like kitchen in my house. And why do I like kitchen? Because I love to prepare and cook different dishes. So I like kitchen. Ningalke eda room ishtam? So you think about it. Now we will go to the next picture. See the picture? What room do you think this is? Yes, this is a bathroom. And what do you think this room is used for? Bathroom is a room where we take bath and we wash our hands in wash basin. Wash basin is usually found near the bathroom, right? And sometimes a toilet. Now we will go to the next picture. By seeing this picture, we can understand that this is a dining room. What do you think this room is used for? Dining room is a room where we sit and eat our meals. Nammal avade irnittu our food, we will eat our food. Dining room la irnittu kaikinadu, right? Now we will see the next picture. What room do you think this is? Where your mother cooks food? In which room she cooks the food? Amma ille bhakshanam vakkinathu veetile. Evideyana amma cook cheynathu food? Yes, in kitchen. So this room is called as kitchen. And what do you think this room is used for? The kitchen is a room where we prepare and cook food. So you have to do the activity 2.3 in Little Thinker English. You have to name the rooms. Okay, now we will go to 2.3 activity and I will tell you how to do that activity. You have to see the pictures and you have to name these rooms. So first one is kitchen. Father is cooking food. Can you see? Yes. And second picture, one man is sleeping there. Can you see in the picture? Yes. So this room is bedroom. Third picture, you can see that the boy is brushing his teeth. And where he is brushing his teeth? In the bathroom. So you have to write bathroom there. The next picture, you can see that family is sitting together near the dining table and they are eating their food. So which room is that? Yes, this is dining room. So you have to write in the box dining room. So next picture is living room, where you can see the family is sitting on the sofa and watching the television. So you have to write in the box living room. So first picture is kitchen, and we will never say kitchen room. So we will always say kitchen. So first room is kitchen, and second one is bedroom. Third picture is bathroom. Fourth picture is dining room, and the fifth picture is living room. Now I will do the next activity, activity 2.4 in Little Thinker English, page number 5. So what is the question written in this activity? I will read. Write one activity that cannot be done in these rooms. Write one activity that cannot be done in these rooms. Write one activity. We have to write one activity that cannot be done in these rooms. What is the first picture given here? Yes, first picture is of dining room. And what is the activity we cannot do here? എന്താണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റാത്തത്? I will say my answer. I can't brush my teeth here. I cannot brush my teeth here. എനിക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഈ റൂമിൽ ബ്രഷ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റൂല. I can't brush my teeth here in this room, in dining room. Why can't I brush my teeth here? Because this is dining room where people sit and have their meals. Now we will see the next picture. This picture is of bathroom. So can you tell me one activity that cannot be done here? I will say my answer. I cannot sleep here. Can I sleep in the bathroom? എനിക്ക് ബാത്റൂമിൽ ഉറങ്ങാൻ പറ്റുമോ? No, I cannot sleep here. Now we will go to the next picture. Yes, next picture is of bedroom, and one activity I have to write here that cannot be done in this room. I cannot eat my food in this room. Can I eat my food in this room? What do you think this bedroom is used for? Bedroom is used for sleeping in. We sleep there. നമ്മൾ അവിടെ ഉറങ്ങും. So I can't eat my food in this room. I cannot eat. So your homework for today is you have to complete activity 2.3 and 2.4 in Little Thinker English, page number 4 and 5. So today's class is over. I will meet you in the next virtual class. Till then, bye.